To say that India did not get independence in 1947 is an insult to every single Indian person. Mohan Bhagwat has the audacity to inform the nation every 2 or 3 days what he thinks about the independence movement, what he thinks about the constitution. In fact, what he has said yesterday is treason. That do not think that we are fighting a fair fight. The people who are in power today do not salute the tricolor, do not believe in the national flag, do not believe in the constitution, and they have a completely different vision of India than we do. They want India to be run by a shady, hidden, secret society. They want India to be run by one man, and they want to crush the voice of this country. They want to crush the voice of the Dalits. They want to crush the voice of the minorities. They want to crush the voice of the backward castes, of the tribals. This is their agenda. And I would also like to say clearly that there is no other party in this country that can stop them. And you will see, the only party that can stop them is the Congress party. And there is a reason for it. The reason is that we are an ideological party. And our ideology does not emerge yesterday. Our ideology, like the RSS ideology, is thousands of years old, and it has been fighting the RSS ideology for thousands of years. We have our symbols. We have Shiva. We have Buddha. We have Guru Nanak. We have Kabir. We have Mahatma Gandhi. We have our symbols. And these are all the symbols who have shown the correct path to this country. Please name one symbol of the RSS ideology that is revered in India today. Name one symbol. Was Guru Nanak from the RSS ideology? Was Buddha from the RSS ideology? Was Krishna Bhagwan from the RSS ideology? Not a single one. Because every single one of these people fought for equality, fought for brotherhood. I'd like to say one last thing. That do not think that we are fighting a fair fight. There is no fairness in this. If you believe that we are fighting a political organization called the BJP, that we are fighting a political organization called the RSS, you have not understood what is going on. The BJP and the RSS have captured every single institution of our country. We are now fighting the BJP, the RSS, and the Indian state itself. Mohan Bhagwat has the audacity to inform the nation every 2 or 3 days what he thinks about the independence movement, what he thinks about the constitution. In fact, what he has said yesterday is treason, because it is stating that the constitution is invalid. It is stating that everything, the fight against the British was invalid, and he has the audacity to say this publicly. In any other country, he would be arrested and tried. That is the fact, right? To say that India did not get independence in 1947 is an insult to every single Indian person. And it's about time we stop listening to this nonsense that these people think they can just keep parroting out and shouting and screaming, right? That is the crux of it. The Congress party has worked with the Indian people. It has built the success of this country. And it has built the success of this country on the foundations of the Constitution.
अनेक शतकों से परचक्र झेलने वाले भारत के सच्चे स्वतंत्रता की प्रतिष्ठा उस दिन हो गई। स्वतंत्रता थी, प्रतिष्ठित नहीं थी, क्योंकि भारत स्वतंत्र हुआ 15 अगस्त को, तो राजनीतिक स्वतंत्रता हमको मिल गई। हमारा भाग्य निर्धारण करना हमारे हाथ में आ गया। हमने एक संविधान भी बनाया, एक विशिष्ट दृष्टि जो भारत के अपने स्व से निकलती है, उसमें से वो संविधान दिग्दर्शित हुआ। लेकिन उसके जो भाव है उसके अनुसार चला नहीं। और इसलिए हो गए हैं स्वप्न सबस आकार कैसे मान ले, टल गया सर से व्यथा का भार कैसे मान ले, ऐसी मनस्थिति समाज की। क्योंकि जो आवश्यक स्वतंत्रता में स्व का अधिष्ठान होता है वो लिखित रूप में संविधान से हमने पाया, लेकिन हमने अपने मन को उसके पक्के नींव पर आरूढ़ नहीं किया।